Hello.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, and you? Can you see me?
I'm
Yeah.
great.
Is everything
Yeah, I
alright?
can see you.
Perfect.
Could you
perfect.
see me over here?
Yeah, perfect. It's super smooth. I use one feature from DemoCreator that I didn't find anywhere else, and I love it. It's the like the drawing pen. Whenever you have point at something, or like you can capture any application from your screen in DemoCreator, and whenever you're live too, you can just like in one application, let's say I'm streaming or I'm playing a GeoGuessr or something, I can indicate a little detail with the drawing pen, or I can make a quick arrow like hey guys, look at this. And then maybe I have to paint something, I can put out the whiteboard, or I can put it whatever I want on the screen, and I can paint something to like explain effect or show in an easy way something that maybe I'm thinking, or that I want to explain to someone, even my friends, even over DMs. I just want to show them a little detail of like an avatar, for example. I use that, and it's just like so easy and fast, because otherwise you have to do a lot of like other, you have to open so many things, and it's just chaotic basically. I got inspired by literally, like, I was using already VR, like VR technology, so virtual reality, by myself, because I'm passionate about it. I love technology, I love VR, and I used to use the Quest, the first like VR for like PC. And then I by watching other people's content, like other YouTubers and stuff, I discovered that full body tracking came out. And since I was already dancing for a lot of years, and you know, one of my passions is dancing, I was like, damn, I was already making videos too on YouTube. So I was like, I could start doing YouTube, like open a new channel and also stream with full body tracking, and combine my two passions. So like stay in VR and also dance and upload content on the internet, because I am passionate about that too. That's how I started. I'm very proud to see recent videos of my the best moments in this year, the 2022 so far. I basically uploaded a video compilation of the funniest and the best moments that I had so far during this year. It's literally the highlights of this year. I do it every year, and it seems to go very well, so I'm very happy for that. People love that. For sure, my personality, I guess, because like I love to be myself, and my sense of humor as well. I want to put my sense of humor, like what makes me laugh, I want to put that on my YouTube videos. I don't care about like what could they laugh about when I'm editing my videos and stuff. Like I really think about like, if this makes me laugh, I think this is gonna make them laugh, like people that watch my videos as well. Maybe my creativity as well. I just love to bring in every video that I post something always different and always like unexpected, out of nowhere. And I think that's the, you know, the 2 points that differentiate me. Honestly, from my head, I don't look at anything. I literally try to like be as creative as I can, and I try to make up something from nothing, because I have endless possibilities, because I use avatars, I use like different words, and there's like millions of them. Literally the ideas come literally in my head, in my mind, and then I just make them happen in the video. So back in the days it was different, because I was watching other content creators as well, but now I really want to be original, and I really want to like create something that it's new, that I've never seen, or something like that. I didn't want to mix my private life with my streaming and YouTube. But then I was like, after, I think I did it after 2 years, something like that. I was like, I want to get more personal with my chat and with my audience on YouTube. I want them to see me. I want them to see my face expressions. And I really think that if I do a face reveal, my content can only be better. It's not gonna affect my content in a negative way. I think it's only gonna improve it, and that also enabled me to create content in real life. So I started doing like the dancing with my avatar, in real life. I could have like, it opened so many doors to me, like maybe stream only with a webcam on and play other type of games and make it more entertaining because you have that little webcam on the side. If you play, for example, a horror game, they can see you getting jump scared and your facial expressions, and it makes it so much funnier. Considering the fact that I do mostly VR, 99%, VR chat, there are like this public words where everybody can join. It's like you're going into the public, and that you could consider that as going out in the public around. And I got recognized so much there in VR, of course, in VR chat. But in public, in real life, I think it happened like once. It's definitely way more rare than in VR, because that's what I do, and that's more recognizable because like people see my avatar, my name, and they don't see my face in real life, and so it's easier to recognize. Let's see. I honestly would say be yourself, like be who you are. Most of the people, they try to either be funny or be different. They want to try to do something since they're like creating content, recording something. I've seen a lot of people putting a persona on, or like try to act in some ways, but that the viewer can always 90% of the times at least see that it cannot last for a long time. So just be yourself and have fun. If you have fun, the people that watch you have fun. Oh, and also one more actually. When you watch your content, you have to have fun too. You have to laugh, or you have to enjoy it, because you know that's very important. That's how I create my content too.